Hi everyone, this is Glueless. This video I'm gonna be reviewing and installing this beautiful hair from DYHAIR. That's everything included in the package, and this is the hair. This length is 14 inches and the texture is deep wave. It is glueless wig. That is one thing I appreciate about this hair. It is glueless. There is no stress at all. If you've been watching my video recently, you will notice that I've been uploading more of glueless wigs, kind of. So this is another collection of wig I have added recently to my own collection. This hair is full and beautiful. I love how beautiful this hair looks. I also appreciate the fact that you don't even need anything to install this hair. Just braid your hair, like cornrow your hair into like 4 sections, put on the wig cap, and then just pop on the wig and you're good to go. I recently became busy, and making hairstyles that would take up to 4, 5 or 6 hours is not a good option for me. So I feel just popping on this glueless, easy to wear, ready to go hair for busy morning is just my to go. And I know there are mamas out there who are as busy as I am, and you just want something that will make you look exquisite without having to spend time making your hair. This would be a very good option to consider. This hair is awesome. It is full. I love the fact that it is coily. The texture is deep wave, and the length I am wearing in this video is 14 inches. If you want your length to be longer, you want to consider taking like 16 or 18, 20 or any other length that you so like. The link to purchasing this product is on the description of this video, and also know that they offer like bulk sales if you want to buy in bulk. Like I showed in my previous video, if you want to buy in bulk to resell, this is one of the companies you want to collaborate with, and they will offer you a very good discount. This hair is awesome. All right, everyone. I feel so cool about myself. Look at this. So much. Yeah, I'm just talking to myself here and appreciating the hair, appreciating my beauty. You know, we ladies, we love looking attractive. That is who God has made us to be. All right, everyone, you want to go ahead and grab this hair and leave me a comment if you have any on the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to reply you and answer any question you may have. This is pop on and go wig, glueless. Look at this, glueless wig on. This is fantabuloso.